Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where I focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a Mary Pickford. I'm going to start with 1 teaspoon of grenadine, and I do make my own grenadine recipes here on the channel if you'd like to check it out. 1 teaspoon is 5 milliliters. And I'm actually going to drop the spoon right in the shaker because I'm going to use some of the other liquids to help wash that out. 2 ounces of pineapple juice. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. 2 ounces of rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. And a 1/4 ounce of your maraschino liqueur. Or is it maraschino liqueur? Check my pronunciation and tell me what it is down below. 1/4 ounce is 7.5 milliliters. Shake out your spoon, set it aside, add your ice, and give it a shake. Official glass is not listed. I'm always going to use a Coupe if I can because I've got Anderson Ancestral Coupes. You can use a glass of your choice. I'm going to strain it right in there. Double strain if you'd like. And garnish. 2 Luxardo Maraschino cherries. Again, check my pronunciation down below. And there you have it. A Mary Pickford. Drink with good spirits.